Are you curious about aroma diffusers or essential oils, but you feel completely overwhelmed every time you start looking? If so, you're in exactly the right place. My name's Stacy Paulson, and for the last 16 years, I've reviewed over 50 diffusers, and I've been using these little bottles of oil to handle just about everything from creating a relaxing home environment to keeping my family healthy and happy. After all that experience, if I had to wipe the slate clean and start over with just one box, this would be it. Today, I'm going to unbox the doTERRA Aroma Essentials Collection and show you exactly why I believe it's the only starter collection that you'll ever need. I'll give you simple, practical ways to use each of these 10 essential oils to make your life easier starting tonight. We're going to ditch the stress and synthetic smells and turn your home into a peaceful wellness sanctuary, one drop at a time. And the best part, we're going to do it without the overwhelm. All right, let's dive into this box. This is the doTERRA Aroma Essentials Collection. The reason I recommend this collection over all the others for beginners, that it's made for aromatic use, which is the simplest, safest, and honestly, one of the most powerful ways to get started. It comes with 10 5-milliliter essential oils that I use almost every day, plus the gorgeous Laluz diffuser. Many people try to make their homes smell nice with candles or synthetic plugins, but those come with drawbacks. You have to buy them over and over, and they often contain artificial ingredients that studies show can impact your health and hormone balance. And there's always a safety concern with an open flame. This diffuser, on the other hand, is a one-time investment that gives you thousands of hours of natural, beautiful scent. And can we just talk about this diffuser for a second? I've been using it for over 5 years. It's not some plastic cheap thing. It has this beautiful glass top and a really sleek, modern design that just looks like a nice piece of decor. I love that it comes with a long cord, which helps with placement. It can run for up to 8 hours, which is perfect for running it all night in a bedroom. It also has 3 soft light options, including a warm and a lavender glow, which is so calming. This diffuser alone is a huge upgrade from what you'll find in most other starter kits. Now for the oils. These 10 specifically chosen to solve the problems that I hear about most often. So trouble sleeping, not being able to focus, feeling stressed all the time, and wanting a clean home without all of the harsh chemicals. We're going to go through them one by one, and I will show you exactly what to do with each one of them, especially in your new diffuser. But first, quickly, we need to understand the difference between fragrance essential oils and pure, straight for the plant essential oils. A true essential oil, like the ones in this doTERRA kit, it's different. There are pure, potent, evidence-based essential oils that are truly tested and sourced from plants. They're rigorously tested to make sure that they are exactly what they say they are. Nothing added, nothing taken away. This purity is why we can talk about using them for more than just pretty scent. For things like calming your mind, boosting your energy, and supporting your family's health. It's the difference between an air freshener and a true wellness tool. So with that in mind, let's explore what these incredible pure oils can do. First up, let's tackle the #1 struggle for so many of us: sleep. The collection comes with 2 of my absolute favorites for creating a calm, restful mood. And as a mom of 6, this really matters in our home. If you have a brain that won't shut off, especially at night, or if anyone in your family fights at bedtime, this is your new best friend. Serenity is a blend of oils like lavender, cedarwood, and Roman chamomile that are famous for their calming aromas. The scent is sweet, warm, and just deeply relaxing. So here's my problem solver tip. Every single night, about 30 minutes before bed, I put 3 to 4 drops of Serenity into diffuser in the hallway. It's like a signal to everyone's brains and bodies that it's time to wind down. For my peace of mind, I'll often put a drop on the bottoms of my feet to help me to relax before I finally lay down. And a helpful tip for beginners is that the bottom of your feet have some of the largest pores on our body, which helps the oils to absorb effectively and efficiently. Plus, the skin there is less sensitive, making it a great, safe place to apply oils topically. It has completely changed bedtime from a battle to a peaceful ritual. Do you ever feel like you are being pulled in a million different directions, just totally scattered and frazzled? That's when you need balance. This blend has a woody, earthy smell from oils like spruce and frankincense, and just makes you feel centered and stable again. Frankincense especially helps the body feel less irritated, less inflamed, less reactive, very calming to the nervous system. My problem-solving tip: this is the secret weapon for when the energy in the house gets frantic or chaotic. I'll get balance going in the diffuser to bring a sense of calm back into our space. For a personal reset, I just put 1 drop in my palms, rub them together, and take a few deep breaths. When you inhale an aroma like this, the scent molecules have a direct pathway to the part of your brain that manages emotions and memories, which is why it can affect your mood so quickly. It's like hitting a reset button on your day. Okay, let's talk about the opposite of sleep: getting energized and focused for a busy day. You know that 3 p.m. slump when you're totally exhausted but still have hours left of your day? Peppermint is the answer. It has a powerful minty aroma that is so invigorating. A simple sniff is like a splash of cold water to your face and can help you with brain fog and focus. My problem solver tip: for an instant energy boost, I'll diffuse 1 drop of peppermint and 1 drop of wild orange in the afternoon. It wakes up the whole house and helps my older kids power through their homework. Another quick tip: for those moments of head tension, I dilute 1 drop of peppermint with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil or lotion or something like that. And then I will just rub it on my forehead and temples. Just be careful to keep it away from your eyes. This is the pure happiness in a bottle essential oil. Seriously. It has a sweet, citrusy, and uplifting smell that pretty much everyone loves. It's one of doTERRA's best-selling oils for a reason. It just makes you feel good. Certain citrus oils, like wild orange, can help the nervous system to stay calmer under stress. My problem-solving tip: to get everyone moving on those dark, groggy mornings, I diffuse wild orange. It's bright, energizing. It's a scent that is positive in tone for the whole day. It's also amazing for getting rid of weird cooking smells. A few drops in the diffuser after dinner and the whole kitchen smells fresh and clean. Just like the name says, this blend of citrus and spice oils is for those gloomy days when someone in the family is just feeling a little down. It has a fresh, bright, and optimistic scent that really does provide a cheerful boost. My problem-solving tip: this is my go-to for Monday mornings or anytime hard things are going on in our lives. I'll add a few drops to the diffuser to create a happy, positive vibe while everyone is getting ready. You can also put a drop on a clay necklace or a felt ball in the car's air vent to take the sunny feeling with you on the go. This next group of oils is all about keeping your family feeling their best and making your home a clean, protected space. So On Guard, the protective blend. This is the MVP for any home and doTERRA's most popular blend. It's used in hospitals, healthcare clinics, classrooms, and most importantly, our homes. On Guard is a powerful blend of oils like wild orange, clove, and cinnamon. It has that warm, spicy scent that just smells clean and healthy. When seasonal threats are high and I want natural support for our immune systems, this is the oil that you will find diffusing in my home. My problem solver tip: I make an all-purpose cleaner with this that has replaced all of my harsh chemical sprays. In a glass spray bottle, I just put a cup of water and a half a cup of white vinegar and about 10 drops of On Guard. It's protective for wiping down countertops, doorknobs, bathrooms, and light switches, especially when someone is under the weather. And it leaves behind such a clean and a refreshing scent. Now Breathe, this is the respiratory blend. If you're dealing with seasonal sniffles or just want that feeling of clear airways, Breathe is a must-have. It's a minty, fresh blend of oils like peppermint, eucalyptus, and lemon that helps promote a feeling of easy breathing. My problem solver tip: when someone in the house gets stuffy, I diffuse Breathe. It could be in their room at night. It helps create a really restful environment. You can also dilute it with a carrier oil and rub it on your chest and on your back and over the bridge of your nose. That cooling, fresh aroma is so soothing and helps everyone get a more peaceful night's sleep. Finally, this collection has 3 amazing blends that are all about creating a specific mood in your home. They are my secret to making our house feel like a true sanctuary. And every time somebody walks in, they're always wondering, what is that smell? So life can be stressful between work, school, and managing a household. Feelings of tension can run high. Anxious feelings can run unchecked. So Adaptive was made for exactly those moments. It has a beautiful aroma with lavender, magnolia, and a hint of spearmint that helps bring a sense of calm to any situation. Most people I work with seem to feel less stressed and actually show steadier heart rate patterns when they use this. My problem solver tip. I call this my focus friend oil. When one of the kids gets frustrated with homework, or I get overwhelmed or feel anxious with a project, I'll diffuse Adaptive to help them feel more centered and calm. For me, I'll put a drop on my wrist before a big meeting or a tough conversation. It's like an aromatic security blanket. Now, Citrus Bloom, this is the springtime blend. This blend is pure joy. It combines the brightness of citrus with the softness of fresh flowers like lavender and magnolia. It just creates a really uplifting and beautiful atmosphere. My problem-solving tip is when the house just feels a little drab and you need a shot of spring energy and happiness, this is the oil to diffuse. I also love to use it to make a simple room spray. So in a small spray bottle and with about 2 ounces of water and a splash of witch hazel or a pinch of salt and about 10 drops of Citrus Bloom. You just shake it up and spritz it in your living room, on your curtains, for an instant mood lift. You can even wear it like a perfume. Just be careful about spraying it on your skin. Then Northern Escape, this is the woodland blend. Last but definitely not least, this Northern Escape blend is a mix of wood and fir oils like black spruce and Siberian fir. So this makes your home smell like a peaceful green forest. Its aroma is so grounding and refreshing. My problem solver tip. When you can't get outside, you can bring the outdoors in. Diffusing Northern Escape creates this calm, quiet space that's perfect for the afternoon lull or when you just need a moment of peace. I also love adding a few drops to my cleaning spray to give my home a crisp, fresh from the forest scent instead of chemical one. So there you have it, 10 oils, a beautiful diffuser, and dozens of simple solutions for your home and family. You can see why I really believe this is the best way to get started. It takes all of the guesswork out of essential oils and gives you exactly what you need to make a real difference in your home. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but how do I get it? I want to make sure that you get the best deal. When you look at the value, this collection is kind of like a BOGO deal. You buy the Laluz diffuser and 5 oils, and you essentially get 5 oils for free. When you buy this Aroma Essentials Collection through the link in my description, you get the whole collection at a discount and a free doTERRA membership. That means you'll get 25% off all of your future purchases for a full year. No strings attached. You don't have to buy something every month. It's basically like a Costco membership for wellness. And because I want to set you up for success, I have 2 special tips. First, when you grab your collection through my link, I will send you my free beginner's guide. It's packed with more recipes specifically for this kit, showing you how to make custom roller blends, cleaning sprays, and other solutions for your home. Second, this collection is worth 110 PV, or product points. If you add just a few small things to your cart, like a bottle of fractionated coconut oil for diluting the oils, or some roller bottles, you can easily get to 150 PV. With 150 PV order, doTERRA runs a promotion where they'll send you a free Pebble diffuser. So the Pebble is a smaller diffuser that's perfect for a bedroom or office and can run up to 10 hours. This is my favorite tip because it sets you up with a perfect 2 diffuser strategy. Use the large Laluz in your living area and then the Pebble in the bedroom. Then you can use your oils to make sprays for the bathroom, car, or laundry. Just check the link in my description for the most current promotion details. Switching to a more natural lifestyle doesn't have to be complicated. This collection isn't just about making your house smell nice. It's about empowering you with the tools to care for your family's health and happiness. It's about creating a space for peaceful sleep routine, a focused workspace, and a home that truly feels like your haven. If you're ready to start your own oil journey, the link is in the description. Now, for those of you who want to get a step further and see exactly how to put these oils into action, don't go anywhere. We're about to have a quick hands-on bonus session here where I'll walk you through making your first diffuser blends, room sprays, and roller bottles using only the oils from the kit. All right, welcome to the bonus session. This is where the magic really happens. I'm going to show you just how simple it is to create powerful natural solutions. We'll make 2 diffuser blends, 2 room sprays, and 2 roller blends. First up, let's make 2 of my favorite diffuser blends. Our first one is the Morning Kitchen Reset. This is for making your kitchen feel bright, clean, and energized. You'll grab your wild orange, On Guard, and peppermint. Just add 2 drops of wild orange, 2 drops of On Guard, and 1 drop of peppermint to your diffuser. It's a fresh start for your whole house. Next, the bedroom wind down blend. This is a non-negotiable part of our family's sleep routine. You'll need Serenity and Balance, and 3 drops of Serenity and then 2 drops of Balance to your diffuser, and then run it for about 30 minutes before bed. The aroma is so soft, grounding, and deeply calming. It turns a bedroom into a sanctuary. Now let's make 2 super simple sprays. All you need is a small 30 milliliter spray bottle, some water, and a splash of witch hazel or salt to help the oil and water to mix. For a sleep sanctuary linen spray, we'll add 10 to 12 drops of Serenity to our bottle. Then top it off with water and the witch hazel or the salt. Give it a shake, and that's it. Mist your pillows and sheets before bed. It completely elevates your sleep space. Next, a fresh and elevated bathroom spray. So 6 drops of Citrus Bloom and 5 drops of Breathe to your spray bottle. Just add them in. This combo smells incredible, like a clean, modern spa. It's perfect for after a shower or before guests come over, or if someone needs some poo-pourri spray. This spray is also great on furniture to replace those Febreze-like sprays. Finally, let's make 2 roller blends. These are for applying oils safely to your skin. You'll need a 10 milliliter roller bottle and some fractionated coconut oil to dilute the essential oils. First, a calm and grounding roller. For anxious moments, I keep this in my purse. Add 3 drops of Adaptive and 2 drops of Balance to your roller bottle. Then fill the rest with fractionated coconut oil. Roll it on your wrists or the back of your neck whenever you feel overwhelmed or those anxious feelings coming up. It genuinely helps bring your nervous system back down, and it really seems like, and it actually feels like you're wearing beautiful perfume. Our last recipe completes our sleep routine, the Sleep Ritual Roller. In another 10 milliliter roller bottle, add 3 drops of Serenity and 2 drops of Balance. Top with fractionated coconut oil. Roll it on the bottoms of your feet before bed or on your kiddos' feet. When you combine this with the linen spray and the wind down diffuser blend, you have a full sleep routine. You have a full sleep routine using just 1 kit. And just like that, you've created 6 incredible natural solutions for your home. See how easy that was? This is what it's all about, feeling empowered, not overwhelmed. If you're ready to get started with your own Aroma Essentials collection, the link is waiting for you in the description below. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. I personally respond to every single one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I can't wait to see how these oils bless your home.